Login failed on Atom Bank fix. If your Atom Bank app keeps saying login failed, don't stress, this is one of the most common issues users face. Most people assume their password is wrong, but the real reason is often much simpler. The surprising truth is that Atom's login errors usually happen because of outdated app versions, temporary service disruptions, or security verification delays. Here's how to fix it fast. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Atom Bank uses real-time encryption during login, so if your Wi-Fi is unstable or if you're using a VPN, the connection can time out. Turn off your VPN, switch to mobile data, and try logging in again. Step 2. Make sure your app is updated. Go to your App Store, search for Atom Bank and tap Update. Login issues often appear right after Atom releases a new version with improved security. If you recently changed devices or reinstalled the app, you'll need to go through re-verification. Open the app, select Login, and follow the prompts. Atom will ask for your email and a verification code, which will be sent via text or email. Enter it quickly, these codes expire within minutes. If that doesn't work, clear the cache or reinstall the app completely. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Atom Bank Storage, and clear the cache. On iPhone, simply uninstall and reinstall the app. Still can't log in? Check your device's time and date settings. Atom's security relies on accurate timestamps, and incorrect settings can block authentication. Finally, if you've entered the wrong passcode too many times, Atom might temporarily lock your account. Wait about 15 minutes before trying again, or reset your passcode directly through the app. Once you're back in, enable biometric login or Face it. It's faster, easier, and reduces the chance of future errors. Atom's secure banking system is designed to protect your data, not frustrate you. With these quick fixes, you'll be back to checking your balance, managing your mortgage, or tracking your savings in just minutes.